Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. Welcome back to another edition of Flock Tales. And today we're going to make a Blood Orange Margarita. So for this we need a Blanco tequila. You can use just about any Blanco tequila you like. I recommend Cimarron. This is a really inexpensive tequila that is still very good. In fact, it's drinkable by itself. This is 100% blue agave from Jalisco. It's not harsh, has a really tremendous roasted agave smell, and makes a tremendous blended drink. So if you don't want to use your good drinking tequilas, your Fortaleza, your Ambar, your Don Roberto, your Pantalones, Insolito, stuff like that, then get a good well tequila, and I highly recommend this. By the way, this is a liter. And I paid $28 for this at Total Wine. All right, so we need a tequila. We need blood orange juice. Now, this is Lakewood, which is a brand from Whole Foods. This is, I think, $8 or $9. It's always available, which is great, but it is pure blood orange juice. So when you get this, it's going to be kind of a thick, dark orange juice. This margarita is supposed to be red. So when you get the pasteurized and combined juices at the grocery store, they're going to have food coloring in them to get to that color. So to substitute, we're going to use just a little bit of grenadine. You need a lime. Now, what I'm going to do is juice half of this lime. You could use just lime juice instead if you like. I like fresh lime juice in this. Half of the lime will produce a ½ ounce of juice. This is supposed to be garnished with an orange slice. I didn't cut any, but you'll get the idea. Agave syrup. Now this is agave nectar. This happens to be my favorite. This is agave in the raw. You can find it in most Kroger stores, other grocery stores. And last but not least, Grand Marnier. Yeah, that's right. Cognac and orange. Oh, so good. Now, we need a shaker with ice. There we go. And I need a good-sized, pretty glass to serve this in. I'm using a red wine glass with a stem that's crystal just because it looks nice. You can use anything you want. So first, but we're going to build the drink. So I've already juiced half a lime, and that gives me a ½ ounce of juice. That's going to go in there. So ½ ounce of lime juice. And I also need a ½ ounce of the agave nectar. I have that ready to go. I need 3/4 of an ounce of Grand Marnier. I need about an ounce of my blood orange juice. And then I need just a splash of the grenadine. And I do mean just a splash. You don't even need 1/4 of an ounce. It's just going to change the color of the drink. Last but not least, 2 ounces of your Blanco tequila. All right. I'm going to shake that vigorously. And then strain over fresh ice. And you have a blood orange margarita. You can spice this up if you want to add a little bit of heat and flavor. You can muddle a poblano pepper, just 1 slice in the bottom of the glass or in the jigger, or in the shaker, excuse me. You could also use a jalapeno, but that's going to make it really hot. And this is not meant to be really hot. It is, however, really good. Give it a try. The recipe will be on the website. KansasFlamingoChef.com. Have an awesome day. Eat and drink fabulous. And remember to like, share, and subscribe.